Hi, I just wanted to pop in and show you how the Cricut app works. I'm using my iPhone, but they also have a beta app for the Android. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to run you through a few of the things you can do. You can do almost everything on the app that you can do on the computer. So down here you see all I've done is click New Project. To get into this area, and it does prompt you to sign in if you have not used the app before. If you have Design Space, you can sign right in. So here's where you would do all the different images that are on Cricut Design Space, and you can see it has logged me in, so the ones that are with access are available for me. So I'm not going to insert those. Then you see we've got text, we've got shapes. Here's your actions: attach, group, weld. All of those things that you can use on the computer are also available here. Here's edit. This is where you'll make things bigger. So let's just go ahead and throw a shape in, and I just want to show you a few things that you can do. So you'll just click on shapes and click the shape you want. Then you'll have to click out of shapes, and then you can click the next thing, which is actions. There's duplicate. We can do more than one. And one of the fun tools that I like to use is under actions. And you have to select everything first, and slice. I like the slice tool. It gives you lots of fun options. So it's one of the fun ways to do random things. So I picked the word random. I'm just gonna put my word right over here. I'm gonna turn it sideways and make it a bit bigger, and you'll see maybe not so big. Oh, either huge or not huge. Make this a little bigger too. So you'll select the word and the shape, and then go to actions and hit slice. And that's a great way to get, you can see, to get a stencil, or if you could do an Easter bunny with a name in it, since it's right around Easter time, or all the different. There's lots and lots of different uses for the slice tool. You can make new shapes. If there isn't a shape that you want, I'll show you. You can add, so let's say you're looking for an L shape. You can just, throw these together and then hit slice, and you'll have these L's here, or the corner brackets, or whatever you want to call them. So there's lots of great uses for the slice tool. So I just wanted to show you can do anything really on here that you can do on your computer. And you can save it if you need to right up here. And if you can save it here and access it on your computer, so that way you can be designing whenever you're out and available. When you have your phone available, you can design when you're out and then use it when you get back home. So if you have any questions, let me know.